universe.
Are you ready for your second floor, guys? I fucking know what happens! Look at this guy! Make some noise! Darren fucking
Oh, yeah, so here we go. Right, you weren't thinking it, but it's the 30th gig tonight. Thank you very much. I keep trying to change this material, that's why I've got it sneaky in there. Anyway, moving on. I've been doing a lot of things in reverse lately, like promoting myself, like I've been on radio, promoting myself, been on radio, I shaved for it. No one could see me, obviously on the radio, but I thought at least I sound smooth. That's not the worst one I got there. The worst thing is, I did a shitty little joke to her. I went, oh, you look all nice and dressed smart and all that. I went, yeah, it's like without or naked. Because obviously radio, they can't see you. She thought I was actually going to get naked. She went, don't do that. I was like, I'm joking, no joking. Fuck me. My website now as well, which is good. Get the admin out of the way. Should do that at the end, but I'm doing it now. Darren Marsh Comedy. Just type that in Google, you'll find me. Yeah, it's a sexy website. Oh, so sexy, it's ridiculous. I should get naked for it, really. Don't that come out? Bloody hell, I was just thinking. All the words should be in my head, not out with it, bloody hell. What am I like? Yeah, I've got a segue into something else. Talking with my dad's a bit of a weird one. It feels like you're in a learner's car every time. It's like he goes, oh, stop at a zebra crossing, move for the people. I'm not fucking 5. I'm 34. I won't be surprised if you just start saying, oh, for no reason. There you go, mate. You can get into delusional or something. Okay, now. Fuck me. It's weird. It just annoys me more than else. So I'm stopping here. I know what a zebra crossing does. I shouldn't keep repeating that, yeah. So I just go out. If I go. Anyway, I live where a lot of old people live. So it's like nothing really happens there. You have doors wide open, nothing happens to you. Nothing at all. You walk down the road naked, nothing happens to you, not at all. I know, because I've tried it. Yeah, it's just, I just want to get naked all the time. No, it's have a cold actually. Quite warm. There you go, it's time to kill. Right. All this is for you guys. I mean, look at that. I'm usually in a cardi, that's what I am. I'm like, let's look good for on stage and stuff. What else we got? Same birthday as Hitler. Literally 20th of April, or 420 as other people know it as. Yeah, I can't be the opposite of Hitler every day. Bust a hard one. You know when you like get your hand out, just sort of bust. I do it in my head. Just like, it's fucking hard. The other day, I'm going to say this, but the other day, I went to stuck in the door. Literally. I ran for the bus. I caught, well, my head caught it. Literally, as the doors were going, slammed right on my head. I wouldn't mind, but he fucking drove off as well. I was like, for fuck's sake! It was like a reverse birth coming out of the bloody thing. Fuck me. So, you see someone there, you can open your doors now as a fucking rival. He didn't even know my birthday was Hitler. A ball accident. That's not always well. Sometimes mixed reviews that one. Oh, bless him. Oh, that's fine. That's what my mum told me. She said he was surprised coming back from a cruise. But my thinking is, so is diarrhea. No one sees it coming, and everyone regrets it. Basically, a little shit. Here we go. That's the last one. Finish off this. I'm told I'm autistic. Yeah, it's a weird one. But my left hand. The way the person said it to me is, I'm telling you autistic by your left hand. So that translates to me is I've got an autistic left hand. It's a weird one. The only thing I know about autism is they lack empathy. So if I'm doing that or that, it's not me at all. It's my autistic left hand. It's a weird one. I always get it to the end, it's pretty good. Is it really good? Yeah, available. Yeah, I wouldn't mind. I'm dyslexic and I can't even say the fucking words. That's me done. Look up Darren Marsh Comedy. That's me. Be like, See you guys.